Tiffany presents Reading Together. Hi friends, welcome to Reading Together with me, Tiffany. Are you ready to read today's book? Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins. Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins. Can you imagine for one day that you are a bird? Flap your wings, fly up high, open your beak, and sing. For Gabriel. Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins. Can you imagine for just one day you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up. The sky is blue. Wake up and shout. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Flap your wings and you can fly. Higher and higher. Up, up in the sky. Hop, hop, hop. Peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Say, "Hello, darling." Then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down. Swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Say, "Cluck, cluck," and lay an egg. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing. Tra-la-la, tweet, tweet, tweet. Hum, hum, hum. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. Then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say goodnight. Tweet, to-woo, hoo, hoo. The end. Thanks for watching Tiffany Presents Reading Together.